am Ty with WTI, and this is my husband's satin necktie. My husband loves this tie. What he loves about it so much is that it has this timeless elegance to it, and it has this high quality satin finish, and the convenience of having that perfectly coordinated tie with his pocket square is perfect for any formal occasion or any dressy occasion that we may go to. What immediately caught our attention is that finish that it has. I think that that olive green color just exudes sophistication, and it complements a range of his outfits, and it's just perfect for weddings, parties, any events where he wants to make a statement. This is the perfect tie for that. What we love about it is that it includes both the necktie and the pocket square, which makes his outfits more harmonious and more polished looking. And that's my point of view.